Okay, how to solve this? I will teach you and I will show to you the complete solution how to solve this given. Okay, the given is a squared is 16 and b squared is a. What is the value of a plus b? Okay, as we can see here, since we have quadratic term, a squared is 16, okay, we're going to note for this that we need to stick for the positive real value only. Okay, we will not include the negative values. Okay, again, our note is we're going to focus on positive real values. Okay, all negative values here are excluded. Okay, let's focus here. Okay, a plus b. We're going to find the value of a plus b. Step 1, a squared is 16. We can get now the value of a here. A is 4. Again, we don't need to include negative 4 kasi we focus on the positive real values. Okay, next we have b squared is a. Since b squared is the value of a is 4, square root of b, or we're going to uh, get the square root both sides to remove the radical sign in left. Okay, the value of b here is 2. Okay, we have the value of a, which is 4, and the value of b is 2. What is the value of a plus b here? 4 plus 2 is 6. Therefore, the value of a plus b is 6.